Variety of life. There are millions of different living things on Earth. These are plants, animals, and microorganisms. Because of this large variety, scientists have found it necessary to group or classify organisms according to their differences and similarities. Classification helps scientists to understand the relationship that exists among living things. The branch of biology that studies classification and naming of organisms is called taxonomy or systematics. Reason for classifying organisms. It is because they are vast in number. To create order out of disorder. To facilitate studies. For easy identification of organisms. To know the evolutionary relationship. For scientists to best understand organisms in detail. In order to give a unique name to each organism, which will be known universally. In order to know how organisms are related to one another. An organism can be classified following the taxonomic hierarchy below. Kingdom divided into phyla. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Species are organisms that are able to mate and produce viable offspring. The species is the smallest unit of classification. The five kingdom system of classification. The oldest system of classification put organisms into two groups only, Plantae and Animalia. A problem came up when microorganisms were discovered which neither resemble plants nor animals. In 1969, a biologist called Robert Whittaker proposed the five kingdom system, which involves all the organisms. 1. Kingdom Prokaryote or Monera. These are unicellular organisms which do not have a well-defined nucleus nor a nuclear membrane. Example, bacteria and blue-green algae. 2. Kingdom Protoctista. These are unicellular organisms which have well-defined organelles and a nucleus which is surrounded by a nuclear membrane. They are considered as ancestors of animals, plants, and fungi. Example, amoeba, paramecium, spirogyra, etc. 3. Kingdom Fungi. These are multicellular organisms that resemble plants, but they cannot make their own food because they do not contain chlorophyll. Example, yeast, mushroom, etc. 4. Kingdom Plantae. These are multicellular organisms which are not motile but are green, hence autotrophic. Example, plants. 5. Kingdom Animalia. These are multicellular organisms that are usually mobile and they feed on ready-made food, hence heterotrophic. Example, animals.